Hi, this is Mike from BandLab. Did you know you can get more from your sounds using BandLab's effects chain presets? In this video, we'll show you how to find the right effect chain for your project, edit effects chains, save chains for future use, and share them with other users. You can open this project yourself with the link in the video description. And if you find this guide useful, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to know when new videos drop. Effect chains are preset effect setups designed to help you improve your sounds. They're easy to use, so let's see how they work. I'm going to start by making a quick 808 beat. I create a new virtual instrument track and set it to drum pads, 808. I set this track to -6 dB. I sequence a beat with hats on eighth notes. Snares on the second and fourth beats, and kicks on the first, 7th, 10th, and 11th 16th notes. I set the loop marker around this bar and take a listen. That's cool, but I can quickly make it sound more individual with an effect chain. I open the effects page, and I can see the effects preset is currently set to none. To see the available effects presets, I click the icon, and a menu showing the available effects presets appears. This has several categories, and the recommended category will show effects chains specific to the type of instrument you have loaded. You'll see different recommended effects if you're using a different track type, such as voice, guitar, bass, or drum machine. Let's hear how some of the recommended effects sound. Each effect chain comprises a series of effects with predetermined settings that give it a unique sound. I can cycle through the effect chains by clicking the arrows. I like the sound of this dub delay effect. If I want to customize it, I can simply edit the effect parameters. Let's try adding some more feedback. Okay, that's too much feedback. Let's restore it to its original settings. Let's try some more effects. Thumper Overdrive is cool, and I decide I want to make my own version of it. I select the duplicate option and call it Thumper Overdrive XL. Now in My Presets, we'll find Thumper Overdrive XL. I turn up the BL Driver Effects drive, and then save the chain. Now whenever I want to add some intense distortion to something, I can bring this effect chain up quickly. I can even share this effect chain with a friend. I click the Share button, click the Link button, and then I have a link I can share on socials. If I want to remove an effect chain, I can delete the individual effect modules, but it's quicker to select none from the top of the effect chain list. I decide to return to the dub delay effect. Let's add some more tracks and try out some of the ready-made effect chains from the category suggestions. I open BandLab's Sounds and select the Loops tab, then set the instrument filter to bass and the genre filter to pop R&B. I drag 80s bass loop 11 C minor 126 BPM into the project. BandLab asks if I want to set the project key to that of the loop. I do, so I select Set. I turn this track down to -6 dB. My drum pattern isn't long enough for the 8-bar loop, so I split the MIDI clip by positioning the playhead at the start of the second bar and selecting Slice. You can also press S on your keyboard. I then loop the clip out for 8 bars using the loop handle at the top right-hand corner. Let's pick an effect chain for this bass line. The 808 drum pattern is giving us a lot of sub-bass and is sitting in the center of the mix. So I feel that we can apply a stereo modulation effect to the bass and still have a solid sounding mix. I select the modulated category and click the bright chorus effect. This gives the bass a big stereo sound. Our drum part has a delay on it, and our bass has reverb on it. It's unconventional, but I feel like it works in context. Let's balance these spaced out sounds with something more intimate. Let's add a vocal. In BandLab's Sounds, I set the instrument search filter to voice. I drag Medusa 128 C minor vocal chops 8 bars into the project, and I turn it down to -6 dB. Let's bring up the volume of these vocals with some compression. In the vocals category, I select Hi-Fi Comp. That's much better. We can also add our own effects. I add a distortion bit crusher, setting the intensity to 33%. As you can see, effect chains are a quick, easy, and flexible way to process your sounds in BandLab. You can fork this project and make your own version of it using the link in the video description. Have fun!